Hi guys, 3D printed this last night. Print it all in one go and it's all interlinked. I've just been working on it slowly to ease the hinges, I suppose we could call them, or links. Looks like I've got to work through each one individually to loosen it up. I tried printing this with my pink filament and it just didn't work. The end lifted up before it had printed even a few layers. Obviously this is the black filament instead. I printed it slightly smaller than the file that I downloaded, because the file that I downloaded wouldn't fit onto the bed of the Ender, whatever it is I've got. Creality Ender 3, is it? I can't remember. I wouldn't even dare to try and do this with that pink stuff. It would have snapped by now. I won't bore you by going through all of them with it. But you can see that's beginning to flex nicely now. So I've got my very own face hugger. Yeah, it's going to take a bit more work to loosen it all up. I have to do that with all of the bits. If I'd have printed it full size, it was designed for a specific size magnet to go in there. I've no doubt I could get one of my little neodymium magnets and fit it in there regardless, and then we could use it as a fridge magnet. I'll put a link to the file that I downloaded. I didn't design this at all. This is way out of my league. I'll probably show the print videos that I did as well. The pink one obviously stops fairly, well, only part way through because I stopped the print. And the black one, I didn't start it at the beginning, I just did a bit near the end so we could see the finished result. This is the sort of thing you could just sit and watch television and work on these to loosen them up all the way around. Except I don't sit and watch television, but I can see the idea. It's a little bit of stringiness from that black filament. And I was running it on the settings that I did for the pink filament, which is hotter than I normally use. So it may be a bit, that may be why it's a bit stringy, because it's a bit hotter than normal. Yeah, that'll do for now. I keep saying that, I just keep moving on to the next one, don't I? I just don't want it to break while I'm doing it on video, because I rather like this. The more I'm doing this, the more I'm enjoying it. That'll do. I'm stopping now. Well, I quite enjoyed that. It's very therapeutic. Getting all those joints to flex nicely. It's just a matter of working on them, working them forwards and backwards to free them up from the print. And I've stuck a little magnet in the back of it, or under its tummy. My next problem was finding something I could actually stick it to, because I've got plastic double glazing here and that sort of thing. There's very few metallic things around here. Even my fridge door is wooden. I do have a metal panel over in the kitchen with all sorts of fridge magnets on it, but there's so much on there you wouldn't be able to see this on it. So I've used a metal tray with a bit of paper on it so we can actually see it. I expect if I did that in slow motion, that would look like it was moving on its own. So, yeah, there we are. Our face hugger with a little magnet on the back, or on his tummy. I'm very pleased with that. I was originally looking at, I think it was octopus or octopi somebody had done. And then I spotted this one and I thought, well, we've got to have that. Everybody wants a face hugger. That'll do.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.